him in there because you got one of the
They all
Yeah.
they all think they're the leader, and they do not like other goats by their babies.
Yeah.
Oh man. Come on, babies.
What a musical group.
That
Follow
front
the
door
leader.
plate is my favorite one.
Hey, honey. Lots of goats.
Oh my
Here's
gosh.
their mama right here.
There you go. Go.
Here now?
Oh wow.
Yeah, look at that.
Is that the mama?
Yep.
Yep.
There you go. Oh, no, she's like, hand him over. Do you think we
There you
can
go.
go in there? Look at that. Get close to the grown up?
No, you don't want it.
No. So,
See, she doesn't
Whoa.
like those goats by the baby. Yeah. Yeah.
wowza.
She guards them with her life.
How can she have those?
The dogs
Go
that
ahead.
we bought to be mamas, they
Whoa,
keep their
her
horns.
horn's so funny.
Well, you leave the horns on those because if you're going to show them, there's show rules, and you got to have the horns on them for the ABJ.
That's Sugar. She's really friendly. She hasn't had babies yet. Yeah. Sugar.
No, honey, we'll find out here.
Sugar.
Come here. Oh, now she's going to go drink.
Yeah.
What
Grace.
is that? Oh, that
That
was
dog's
small.
Grace here. She was the first one to have her babies. Here, Grace.
How old is Grace, the baby goat?
Oh, they started being born on the 4th?
Yeah, this guy was born on the 4th,
Yeah.
and those two we were holding were born on the 8th of January.
Wow, it's only a couple weeks.
Yeah.
I'm already up and going and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
Wow.
amazing. Yeah. Here's Sugar. Sugar, let you pet her.
You know your friend's pictures? Oh my god. I don't know. Haley might scream. She's a little girly girl.
That curly one
Yep, but looks like that's being stubborn.
is not very friendly at all.
He gets picked on because he's got a wild hairdo.
Yeah.
He's got curly hair just like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Funny how they jump
Yeah,
around.
they're funny. I come out here in the morning, it just cracks me up.
trees, then, you know.
Yeah, we'll go.
Exactly. What about that one over there by the tree that's caged in?
You don't want to mess with him.
That's the daddy. That's the daddy of all of them. That's the